today we are going to be making Spectre. This plane flies pretty well and it has neat wings. So let's start folding. First we have to fold it in half, and as I say in every video, make sure to fold it corner to corner because our plane is going to be built around this crease. And make sure to fold it sharp. You can use your nail or any other thing if you want, like a screwdriver. Then fold triangles on either side like this, and fold this edge to the center crease once again. And now we want to fold this down like this. Just make sure this point touches the end of this crease, and after that you want to let this layer kind of like guide you to crease this edge to the center crease, like somewhat like this. And after that, and fold this back down here and on the other side. The nose is a little thick, so try not to tear it. And now we want to fold these wings out, like from this crease to the inside of this crease, like this. If you want, you can rewind the video at any point if you find it I'm going a little bit too fast, or replay it in a slower speed. Anyways, and now we want to just match this on the other side, and the tension on this area gets a little high while folding it, so make sure you don't go too far and tear it. Your plane should look like this right now. After that, we want to fold this flap up like this. So what this does is we are basically locking the layers of this plane in like this. And fold it up like this after that. And now the final step is folding the wings. So what I like to do is start from about here. This crease is like half an inch above the nose, and then fold it at just a bit of an angle, so this edge is parallel to the center crease, like so. And same thing on the other side. This is very thick, so make sure the creases are clean. in and the center of and the nose stays unteared. After that, just make sure your lock is still holding these two layers. And now you have a finished Spectre. Thanks for watching and happy flying.